Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're running a business and use Zoho Books, managing your invoices efficiently is crucial. But what happens when you need to remove an invoice? Today, I'll show you a simple step-by-step guide on how to delete an invoice in Zoho Books in 2025 safely and correctly. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to clean up your records without any hassle. Access Zoho Books first. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoho Books website. Make sure you're on the official site to keep your data secure. Next, click the Sign In button and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll be taken to your Zoho Books dashboard. Locate Invoices now. On the left-hand menu, find the Sales section. Click it and from the drop-down list, select Invoices. Here, you'll see all the invoices you've created. Select the invoice to delete, browse through your list, or use the search function to find the specific invoice you want to delete. Click on it to open its details. This step ensures you're removing the correct invoice, so double check before moving forward. Access more options. On the invoice details page, look for the three-dot icon near the top right corner. This is your More Options menu. Click it to reveal a list of actions you can take. Confirm deletion. From the menu, select Delete. A confirmation dialog will pop up. This is your last chance to make sure you really want to remove this invoice. Click Yes or Confirm to finalize the deletion. Keep in mind, this action is irreversible, so only delete invoices you're certain about. And that's it. Your invoice has been successfully removed from Zoho Books. Deleting invoices in Zoho Books is that simple. By following these steps, you can keep your financial records organized and accurate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Zoho Books tips and tricks in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.